What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamentals and with the major anticipation from earnings report of this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for the price of this stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks. Link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at the very beginning of August, and I've told you that we might hover for quite some times in the level in between around $46 and around $39. And basically it happened. I've told you that because we have an anticipation of Q2 earnings report, and NIO will release this earnings report on August 11th. And from this top to this bottom, as you can see, we hit exactly the 0.618 and 0.65 level. It is a golden pocket, statistically the most probable level of trend reversal. And our major accumulation point was below this level, below $34. And from this point, we are up for about 26%. Even from 0.5 level, that might be your potential accumulation point, we are still up for about 2%. And I have to say that we have a possibility to hit 0.65 and 0.618 level again, and then we might have a trend reversal. But in my opinion, it is less probable. We still have more chances to go higher from this very point, from around 0.5 level. And why I am so confident about it? Let me show you the fundamentals of this company. First of all, let's start with the company profile. NIO designs, develops, manufactures and sells smart electric vehicles in China. And I have to say that they started to sell their cars on Europe as well, and first country is Norway, and second one will be the Germany. And for now, its total market cap is $71.83 billion. And they have a revenue of $3.49 billion with a negative net income of $1.34 billion. They have very good revenue growth of 202.26%, and they have very strong cash position. So, in a matter of a couple of days, this information will be outdated because they will announce their earnings report. And the estimation of this earnings report will be like this. Earnings per share is expected to negative 11 cents, and the total revenue is expected at a level of $1.29 billion. So why I think this company will outperform these expectations? First of all, let me show you this news. We are on their official press release section, and on August the 2nd, they announced their delivery on July 2021. And let me quote it for you. NIO delivered 7,931 vehicles in July 2021, increase 124.5% year over year. Cumulative deliveries of the ES8, ES6 and EC6 as of July 31st, 2021 reached 125,528 units. And it is a very good achievement that they still have 124% year-over-year growth despite of chip shortage. And let me show you this article. We are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published on August the 3rd, and it's titled NIO Growth is set to accelerate. And the summary is NIO's delivery growth in July accelerated over the previous month. Because of this strong start to Q3, I'm updating my full year 2021 delivery estimate. As the semiconductor supply shortage eases, NIO's delivery growth should further accelerate. Based on valuation and estimated sales growth, NIO is a buy. And I have to say that for now, the main goal for deliveries in 2021 is exceed the level of 100,000 vehicles. And in my opinion, they will exceed this level because the chip shortage for now is becoming more and more weak. And I have to say that strong fundamentals behind this company is pushing all their numbers higher and higher. And let me show you some news from CN EV Post. And right here you can see that NIO adds 2 battery swap stations, bringing total to 352. And this article was published on August the 8th, 2021. And the day before it, NIO battery swap stations reach 350, half of its renewed goal for the year. And let me remind you that they aiming to plant about 700 battery swap stations by the end of 2021, and this will drastically improve their recurring revenue, because NIO is the only company of this size that have battery as a service, and this means the more cars they will sell, the more recurring revenue they will have, and this will drastically improve their financials. In my opinion, it is the most promising company of this size among the entire EV market that has this type of competitive advantage. And let's continue with this article. It was published on August the 7th, and it's titled NIO In-Depth Analysis. Sales and cash flow expected to see sustained improvement. And this article is quite lengthy, and I put all the links in the description below. And I have to say that this article is started from the foundation of NIO company from 2014. And this article shows the strong fundamentals behind this company. So, and let's continue with their institutional investors. Right here you can see that green rows indicate new positions and red rows indicate closed positions. And gray rows indicate some kind of changes in their position. And if you see right here positive number, this means this company is increasing its position. And if you see negative number, this means this company is decreasing its position. And the total sentiment, as you can see, is very bullish. And more companies are starting to invest in NIO, and it is a very good sign. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, what to expect next from this ticker? I have to say that you can add your position if you already done your own due diligence and you know all the downsides of this company. And I have to say that the latest crackdown from Chinese government didn't affect the price of this stock directly, but definitely the total sentiment around Chinese companies is not so favorable. This means with this sell-off, and as you can see, we have the sell-off from this top to this bottom for more than 30%. We have more chances to accumulate the position with this company for the long term with the more attractive average price. And what to expect on a greater scale from this company? I have to say that we have finished the first wave on a greater scale. We finished 5 waves on a smaller scale, and these 5 waves, it is nothing else but one wave on a greater scale. This means our targets are still the same. We didn't break this bottom, and we nailed it to the tick, because we had right here the end of our C wave, and we had a double bottom pattern. And from this point, we have very strong chances to hit all-time highs. And the major point for now is recent all-time high at around $66 price point. And the next conservative target is around $81.92. So, from our current price, we have about 91% of potential profits to this target, and about 55% of potential profits to hit the all-time high. And in my opinion, we might hit it by the end of this year. And the first movement to the upside to break our swing high right here at around $55 will be this earnings report. And in my opinion, right after that, in a matter of several weeks, we might hit this goal, and it will be about 30% of potential upsides with this stock. So, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. And see you guys in those next time. Bye!